Hello friends, welcome to MugSearch. Now we are going to see the job notification which was released by APCPL Aravalli Power Company Private Limited. They are looking for the candidates to the post of engineering executive trainees. The eligible engineering branches are electrical engineering, mechanical engineering and instrumentation engineering. The qualification are full-time bachelor degree in engineering or technology with not less than 65% of marks. For SC/ST candidates, 55% of marks are mandatory. For electrical engineering branch, the prescribed full-time degree in engineering are electrical, electrical and electronics, electrical instrumentation, power system and high voltage, power electronics, power engineering. For mechanical engineering, prescribed full-time degree in mechanical, production, industrial engineering, production and industrial engineering, thermal, mechanical and automation or power engineering. Instrumentation engineering, prescribed full-time degree are electronics and instrumentation, instrumentation and control, electronics, instrumentation and control. Then see the age limit. The maximum age limit is 27 years as on the date of June 1, 2020. Selection process. Candidates should pass in Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering 2019 and the selection process are group discussion and interview. Based on the GATE 2019 mark, the candidates will be shortlisted. The final merit lists are 85% weightage for GATE 2019 marks, 5% weightage for group discussion and 10% weightage for interview marks. The total vacancies are for electrical branch 8 vacancies, mechanical 12 vacancies, instrumentation 5 vacancies. Compensation package, that is salary. The selected candidates will be placed in the pay scale of E1 grade. Their salary will be rupees 40,000 to 1,40,000 per month during 1 year of training period. Then important dates. Commencement of online registration in APCPL website starts from June 4, 2020 and last date for online registration July 3, 2020. Then see how to apply. Candidate visit their official website of www.apcpl.co.in and fill the online application form and submit to their website. The registration fees for the examination is rupees 150 for general and OBC category. For SC/ST categories, registration fees is nil. The required documents are photograph, your passport size photograph and signature in JPEG format. You have to submit your GATE 2019 score in PDF format. Then these are all the general instructions. In description I provided this link to download this notification. you can download this and read it clearly.